You guys asked for it, we made it happen. For all you Farm Truck 79 owners, we have pretty much just developed a 200 amp slimline behind seat dual battery system. It features the 200 amp Super Slim battery from Invicta, Redarc DC chargers, all the outlets under the sun. This pretty much entails you to be able to run inverter off a dual battery system tucked in behind the seat, out of the way, in your wasted space. In behind the back seat on the dual cab 79 series, we pretty much fabricated a tray to mount the 200 amp battery and all the goodies on here. This will come pre-assembled. All you'll have to do is mount the tray to the car. Up along the top here, we've utilised as many factory holes as possible to avoid excess drilling, and it fixes to the floor as well, so it is rock solid. Beauty of this custom tray is, as you'll see on that side over there, it allows us to mount a 6-way fuse box, the Redarc BCDC charger, Anderson plugs for plug and play. So we've got blue for vehicle input, red for solar input, and then 2 grey Anderson plugs out, which is just 12 volt power out, which you can then run into your canopy or onto one of our socket boxes, which is also can come with the kit. Battery. 200 amp Invicta Super Slim. It's got Bluetooth monitoring, so we can monitor it from our phone, and it's also got us display on the battery itself. We can literally click the on button and it gives us percentage, battery voltage, how many amps you're using, and all that kind of good stuff. Super slim, as you can see. The beauty of the 200 amp. Now we know we do a 100 amp kit. 200 amp kit, we can now run 2000 watt inverters off this battery, be it you mount the inverter in the canopy, or you can sneak some inverters under the seat. We're working on that at the moment, but it pretty much, we've got more capacity to run. Got an inverter, we can literally make coffee out of your 79 series. So if you want to purchase your 200 amp slimline kit so you can run your coffee machine while mustering cattle, click the link below. See yous. If you like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We get back to all of them. YouTube also thinks you should watch the video up here and check out all our other builds down here.
Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.